Bonjour! Hi, my name is Haley. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am a content creator. To put it simply, let's just keep it at that. Anyways, I want to talk about that intro. So that's something that I made for Cezanne. I had an Instagram collaboration with them. I wasn't like so proud of the photos that I took, so I kind of want to go the extra mile and like create a really, hopefully, interesting video to not only just kind of like elevate the collaboration, but also show them that like, hey, I love you so much and I want you to see the effort I'm putting in because I want to work with you again. Do I know if I'm going to work with them again? I don't know yet. I guess only time will tell, but I want to create that video and it was so fun. And you guys responded to it like no other. Like I was so overwhelmed by how much response I got from that, and it just made me so happy. And it made me just think how it's been so long since I did like little cinematic videos. Like getting back in touch with my video production roots it's been cool, and I've been really liking it, and I've been doing it a lot. But that's what that was. And so I guess a little takeaway from that is if you're doing a collaboration, I think it's very easy to get caught up in like the, checking off the checklist of what you have to do. And I feel like we get stuck in that routine where sometimes I feel like, if you do a collaboration, you could go the extra mile. And going that extra mile can really, really, really make you stand out, especially if it's a first-time collaboration, because those people will be like, whoa, I'm assuming. Those people will be like, whoa, she's putting in the work, like she really, really cares. And that's what I'm hoping for. I have ADHD, sorry. That's what I'm hoping for, that Cezanne sees in me. And because I really, 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 really love the brand like so much, I felt like the brand was the mature, chic version that I'm inspiring to be, or to wear, I guess. Because I feel like right now I'm a very like Urban Outfitters teen, kind of like loving to frolic through flowers, but I want to be like a romantic, chic, like lady frolicking through flowers with wine in my hand. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to make this huge transition in my style, and like it would be dope to just own some more of these clothes. My first tip of this video is to go the extra mile sometimes. Photo shoots right now. Okay, so right now my mom and I are in we're at the coast, and we're doing a bunch of photo shoots for Lulu's, and then I'm doing some outfits that I bought that I want to show you guys. So yeah, this is like so freaking beautiful, and there's so many flowers everywhere, so I just want to show you around and give you a little behind the scenes of what we're doing. Oh, I just missed the most epic birth ever. Do you think the white would look better in the white flowers and the purple? Okay, and so we could do that. And then the green, we could maybe do against the green over there. So in this beautiful, beautiful flower field on this hill by the ocean. That's a little overexposed there, but there's this wonderful trail, so we're not like destroying any flowers, and it's just, they're everywhere. I'm so happy. So what I just got done doing was a whole YouTube video on a Lulu's haul. I reached out to them if they wanted to collab with me and like work with me on a YouTube video and an Instagram post, and they were like yes, and I was like double yes. So I just got done doing that. I have to send that in like to get approved and all that stuff. So I got the clothes yesterday, and everything, the YouTube video and the first post have to be up within a week. So I had to film all those today, and I'm gonna edit the whole video and send it and get it approved and get it up within a week. Okay, next I'm gonna do a little unboxing because I'm doing a clean beauty blog post, and I reached out to a ton of brands to see if I could test their products and review them because I'm also new to like clean beauty, and I'm also doing the transition into that. I think it's really important. I'm not gonna go on a tangent, but like clean beauty is where it's at. I have a bunch of products here and I wanna do a little unboxing because like who doesn't love a little Christmas time? I'm going to show you all the products, my complete review, the pros and cons, cool ingredients, you know, the values, like the brand story. It's all going to be in the blog post if you want to learn more about them. Highly recommend checking them out. I need to stop being dramatic. Okay, we're in my bathroom and I'm just going to show you the products, tell you what they are, and you're going to love them. Okay, the first products are Indie Lee, and I have a COQ10 toner, which is like cool. I've never heard of that before. We have a brightening cleanser and we have a squalane facial oil. Next is Nuria. We have an under eye cream. We have this like, okay, what is it called? Skin shielding essence. There's like pink pearls and gold flecks in that. It is so cool. For someone who's like very obsessed with the sparkly and shiny things, this gold, it got me. It got me in the feels. And then we have an overnight cream. Okay, next is Kaya Naturals. They sent me this charcoal detox deodorant in cold pressed rose. Really cool, it's travel size. Then they sent natural bamboo facial cleansing oil cloths. And look how cute this packaging is with like the little straw. I think that's adorable. And then they sent me a dry shampoo. And there's also no aerosols in this. Okay, wait, no, I need to leave the review for the blog post. Next is Copari, and they sent me a lip gloss. This is a facial mineral sunscreen, which I'm really excited to try. I've never tried anything like that before. And then this is a coconut body glow. And then they have a little like pump that they sent too. And this is looking all sparkly. Okay, I have one more thing to say. I'm like editing the video now, the one that you're watching, but I took a little break because my friend Jack, who's my boyfriend's best friend, he plays the guitar, so I always send him songs to like learn so I can hear him play, and I sent him the request to do Truly Madly Deeply. It's like such a sweet song. I literally love it so much, and he just sent me a video of him playing it, so I've just been like taking a break and singing to this like video over and over and over again. I can't play it because I'll get a copyright strike, but look up Truly Madly Deeply. It's like a gorgeous song. I need let's just end the video here. Okay, bye.